Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here and today, surprise, we're gonna be decorating one of the pages of my journal, Mamacita. That is a black page and I just don't know what to do with that really dark background. So I'm gonna be trying with this uni Posca markers. They are good to work on leather, on plastic, and of course on paper. So stay with me in this daily snippet in which I am sharing my stash or my table with this amazing doll. I just realized I still have it and it is probably, I don't know, probably 40 years old or more. It was called Mini C, Mini No. It has those little buttons that if you press them, it says yes. And then the one at front, it used to say no. Let's see, it still works. The mechanism still work. So it is amazing and it's a collectible I have, but it was actually my doll with which I play for a long time. So this is one of my collectibles, and look at the pressure, like the little button here. And these I remember making them, I don't know, probably my mom did this with an all jean fabric. So I have company today and she'll be sitting here surrounded by all the pillows I've made for her. So let me know in the comments down below if you want me to show you more about my miniatures and the dolls I have, the collectibles and the little things I made for them. So I don't need all these colors. I guess that is what I'm thinking, but I'm gonna just use the black and I'm sorry, I'm gonna use the white, and as you can see you have them in different thickness, like this is thicker and this is thinner. So let's start by using these two colors, and I already took them away, and let's see what happens. So my idea is to decorate this page with probably flowers or leaves. I can have also a mushroom. Let's see what happens. So let's try. I haven't tried this before, so I don't know what's going to happen, and this is the first time I'm gonna use these markers inside my journals. So I'm gonna start around here by making a leaf, and apparently it works really good. It's easy to work with and also is very comfy and satisfying because it's like soft and really nice. Look at that. So this will be like a whimsical, something weird leaf. And now I'm gonna try here. Let's make, I don't want to make exactly a composition. So let's try to make a little mushroom around here. And so this will be the bottom part, and then we can have the cover. Here we can make just a tiny decoration with little leaves on both sides. Really cute. I really like it. What do you think about my mushroom? My mushroom. All right, here it goes. Great. So let's try with a thick one, but I think this is gonna be too thick. So let's see how this works. And I'm going to go probably around the flower here. What two things can happen. It can be good or it can be wrong, but if we don't try, we'll never know, right? So I'm just gonna trace the flower. I'm going around, and apparently it's gonna take time to dry out. And actually, if you see here, I just placed my fingers on top of the mushroom. Oh, Maria. Okay, everything has a solution, no problem. In any case, I can just paint the whole thing, and I don't, I'm not gonna have problems with that. Yeah, mushrooms usually they go like close to the soil, in the dirt, you know, very wet environment. So this is it. You see? Now here I will do another leaf, probably a bigger one. Look, I can just go with the same pattern and then do in the opposite side of that one and there. You see? This is really, really cool. I really like it. It seems to me that the thinner one works better. So this is 0.7 millimeters and this is 1.8 to 2.5 millimeters. So these are the two tips and the two thicknesses of the markers. So let's keep going with this one. And here I can probably make a flower. It's probably not real, but we can go ahead and write it here. Then we can go around, and in this here we can just do little dots. What about making little lines here? And then we can do a border. Very satisfying. I really like it. Great. I don't think I'm going to be using any other color because for this page I think I'm using only white because I wanted to keep the contrast between the background and what I'm doing. And in here I'm pretending that I'm having like half of a stem with the leaves. That would be super, super great. And what about having a butterfly around here? A butterfly is never too much, right? We always love to have butterflies around. And I'm gonna make them plumose antennas. There. Alright, I think it's pretty cool. I love it. And I can have here also like another leaf like popping up from there, but not completely on the page. I think that this is super, super cool. The other thing I can do, and I think I'm gonna do it around the flower, is that I really want to have a quote, like something really nice, like in here about mamacitas, or let's see, quote about mamacitas. Mamacita needs a margarita. Mamacita needs a margarita. Oh, I like it. I like it. Mom, mama, mommy, mom, mamacita. Well, I think I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna go with mom, mom. Then I'm gonna do mama. Let's try like different type of letters, different fonts. Then mommy, or mommy. Let's do mommy like this. Mom, me, mommy. Then let's do ma. Ma, mom, mom, and then mamacita. I'm gonna write it down here. So let's do this one. Let's start here. So I'm gonna do ma, sita. I'm going smaller because I'm running out of space. Doesn't matter. Mamacita. Yeah, so this is all I have. And this for the thicker marker is like a little bit like more watery. I don't know if it's my idea, but I feel like this thinner one covers a little bit more. And so I am happy with the result, and I highly recommend you to try it, especially in these dark backgrounds and in journals like you have very, very dark pages. So I just have that one black, and this can also work on, for example, this gray one. And I don't know if there is an orange one, but I have gold, for example. We can try gold to give it some accent with the gold and see what happens. This is actually like a brush. Wow, this is super, super cute. So where can I add some gold? I can add some gold like in the mid nerve of the leaf. I can add some gold here on this part of the letters. On my mushroom, I'm gonna add some gold. It's cute. And probably here, the center of the flower, this leaf is super soft and nice. I really like it. And then let's add some gold on these petals here, like little touches of gold. So it's gonna have a shine, and I'm pretty sure you are liking it as much as I do. So this is a great idea. And again, this is the brand, so you can look for these markers, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love them. You're gonna love this technique and these markers. So this is all for today, and I hope that you enjoy this daily snippet. Just leave the comment down below, subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and please come back to my next episode. Also, I'm gonna link videos down below and up here so you can go and see and watch content that is related to this journal, Mamacitas. I see you very soon in my next episode, and I'm gonna leave this open to allow it to dry pretty, pretty good. Bye, friends. Bye-bye. And this is saying bye-bye also. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. You like the video? Oh my goodness. She liked the video. Yes. All right. See you. Bye, friends. Bye.